you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for giving me eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, and mouth to speak, and a heart that beats for you.
Dia suka ini. Con có ai ôm xem. Ada boleh barang. Kalau murah, atau nasi nak.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Hello everyone. You are welcome to today's learning session, where you are going to look at the teacher feeling water, and sand. Where we are sitting today is called a sand pit. A sand pit is a place where we keep our sand for children to play with safely. Like as you're seeing, it is well made with good sand and clean sand. Don't allow water to come to this sand. Cover it with a tarpaulin to keep it safe and clean. And when you're providing your children with water, make sure that the water you're providing them to is clean. Like as you're seeing, it is in a clean container, and the sand is also clean. You may ask yourselves, why have I brought you to sand and water? It is also a concept which is found in a caregiver's guide, page 41. You read and analyze what children can learn. Today I'm going to give you just tips. For more information, you will check in the caregiver's guide. Having provided us with water and sand, we also need different containers. Like as you're seeing, this one is big, this one is small. I have this one, it's not equal to this one. When I have this, its smallest is this one. I think children can learn the concept of weight when they are working with these ones. Now, how can I learn that this one is heavier and this one is lighter? This is what I do. I pick sand in this small one like this. I also pick sand in the big one. In lifting them, this one is heavier and this one is lighter. Are you enjoying that our children can play with sand and learn something? Yes. Then I pour out the sand. I begin measuring to learn measurement. How many small tins do I need to fill the big tin? 1, Let me see whether the second one will fit. It is only 1 3/4 that I need to fill the big one. That's the second concept. Now the third concept. How many small tins of water do I need to fill the big one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them have filled a big glass. I put my water back. Some of the parents and teachers deny children to play with sand, but sand also develops the finer muscles of the child as he or she plays with sand. Now the concept of high weight, heavier or lighter, big or smaller, it's for somehow big children, but for the young ones between 3 to 4, others can make roadways in the sand like this. As they are making the roads, they develop the eye-hand coordination. Others can decide to model. They get water, mix it with sand. Don't want to pour much water in my sand. After mixing like this, someone may decide to make a cake like this. Remember, during our days, we used to model. Modeling also comes back here. Someone is making for us a cake. That is a cake. Another one may decide to model an ice cream using the Ecce tin. The same process, mixes water with the sand, packs it inside the tin, brings it out to make the Ecce cake. What else do you think that our children can learn with sand and water? They can write in it. Someone can make it well like this and begins to write. 1, 2, 3. If not numbers, can decide to write sounds. Like which sound? Do you remember the sounds? I know you remember the sounds. Sound A. Sound A. Sound S. That is pre-writing in sand. I think you have enjoyed the lesson. Don't deny our children to play in sand and water. They learn something. After playing with all the materials, teach them to clean the place. When they pack their materials to their tin, they work in groups. They develop teamwork as they are packing. After packing, Teach them to cover their sand so that it remains clean. And after covering, teach them to wash their hands with clean water like this. Friends, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and thank you for learning with me. May God bless you. Bye.
Remember to subscribe.